Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I am reviewing the new Jaclyn Liquid Lipsticks collection. I did manage to grab 5 shades. I unfortunately did not get any of the lip liners because, well, you know people go crazy on launch day. So if you want to see how these liquid lipsticks perform, what are my thoughts on the formula, the pricing, the shade range, if you want to know the tea, then definitely keep on watching this video. But guys, before we dive into this review, I just hope that you can spare me 2 minutes to talk about what is going on over at St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Like, honestly, it is so scary. The videos and the photos just look like scenes out of an apocalyptic movie. Honestly, it looks like shots out of Pompeii, and it's so scary and sad to know that this is like literally our neighbor that is going through this. And we've seen that Barbados is even affected by this. The south side of St. Lucia is also affected as well, and it's so scary to know that this could even possibly reach Trinidad. And I'm praying to God that it doesn't. We are already going through so much. But guys, they do need our help, and as small as my platform is, I still feel it necessary to at least reach out to a few of y'all. I don't care if it's a handful. If you can just help donate, because they need so much help over there with food. They need cots, mattresses, medical aid, whatever it is you can afford, you can definitely help donate. I will have links down in the description box below where you can help out. Even if you are like whatever end on the world, you can definitely help out. Also, if you are not very internet savvy and you don't like have online banking and that type of thing, you can definitely, at least for my Trini folks, you can visit any of your extra foods groceries. You just go up to the cashier and you let them know that you want to make a donation towards the Sewa TT Volcano Relief Program. Again, all of the information will be down there. And let's say you have $100 that you want to donate, you just give it to the cashier and she gives you a receipt just like a regular grocery transaction, and that way you have proof that you donated. Guys, please just put yourself in their shoes. There are children and so many families that have been displaced by this volcano disaster and they need our help. So I am pleading with you as a human, as a, you know, our brothers and sisters over there. Just help out in any way that you can. So thank you so very much for listening to this little announcement, and I do hope you guys share this video so that your friends, families, colleagues, everyone will have an opportunity to donate as well. And without further ado, let's jump straight into this review. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have 5 out of the 6 shades that I wanted. I didn't get any lip liners, unfortunately, because you know of how fast they sold out. But honestly, I wasn't too mad about it because I am definitely more of an affordable lip liner type of person. So I will be using my 2 Juvia's Place lip liners, which are very creamy, very matte, affordable, so they work really well. So I will be using those lip liners if necessary to pair with these liquid lips. The 5 shades that I picked up are Confidence, Truth, Crabby, Absolutely, and Gratitude. And you can see the little color tabs at the base of the liquid lipstick box, so that, you know, if you keep it in your drawer, you can see easily which shade is which. And also, I think the packaging is like really decent. It's pretty cute. It has like this embossed kind of raised texture that says Jaclyn, and it's like rose gold and white. It's really pretty. And this is what the actual liquid lipstick component looks like. So it's this ombre type of effect with this matte black into this clear tube with the Jaclyn logo in rose gold. It's really pretty and very heavy. I was really impressed by the packaging because when I saw it online, I was just like, okay, you know, it looks okay, but seeing it in person, it's definitely much more pretty and it feels like really solid in your hand, so it feels kind of high-end. So I'm gonna start off with what appears to be like the lightest shade for me, and this is Confidence, which is described as a rosy mauve shade, and that is really pretty, very opaque. And the formula does have a very sweet vanilla scent, almost like, I want to say creme brulee but it's very like a vanilla kind of smell. It smells really nice. And this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It's actually kind of flexible. Like, I don't know if you can see how this bends, so I think this might be really cool to, you know, help you apply easy. Ooh, that is very light. And I'm going in with no lip liner first, just to see the true color of the liquid lips. Okay, so this is like really pale. Definitely I need to go in with a lip liner. So I'm gonna go in with the Jouer's lip liner. This is in the shade Cola, which is this deep brown shade. Okay, so this is how it looks with the lip liner on, and it has almost completely dried. Like there's still a little tackiness to this liquid lipstick, so it's not like a fully matte lipstick. But let's do a transfer proof test, and it's barely there. Like, and this is still has to dry down, so I'm pretty sure there's not gonna be any transfer when it dries down, because it is still a little bit tacky, which means there's some drying to still be done. But I love this combo. This is like really pretty, and you can see the difference from how it looks in the tube on my lips and when it dries down on my hand. Like, that's a huge difference. So you see why swatches aren't always, like, you know, the go-to when you need to make a decision when it comes to purchasing makeup, because look at the difference on my lips. So this is really pretty. I love this nudie color. In between my swatches, I will be using my Garnier Micellar Water as well as this reusable makeup cloth to help me remove the liquid lipsticks. Next up, I have Truth, which is described as a sweet rosy beige color. This one is supposed to be a little deeper than the last one, and this is like really pretty. It's like a pinky kind of nudish color. So let me put on a lip liner, because I feel like it was a little difficult before to apply the lip liner after. And because this one is a little pinky, I think I'm gonna use a pinky kind of lip liner. This one is called Love Me, so it's this kind of mauvey type of shade. Jumping into Truth. Ooh, that is also very light. I will say right off the bat, you do not need a lot of this liquid lipstick. Like, that one swipe on my bottom lip completed my entire lips. And the trick is with these light shades is to definitely like dab it out, or keep like doing this type of motion to get it to apply evenly and letting it dry. And what I like about this formula is normally when I do this motion too often with liquid lipsticks, they kind of peel away like at the center of my lips. This is not doing that. It is a very creamy type of formula, and this one is definitely less tacky than the other one. I think this one has like dried down a lot faster, but this is so cute. Honestly, this is like really pretty. So definitely this shade Truth is a little more pinky than Confidence. Confidence is a little more on the peachy side, and this one is more pinky on my skin tone, and it pairs really well with the lip liner that I used. So I love this. This next shade I was really excited for. This is called Crabby, and it's described as a rich rose type of shade. So it's like a deeper kind of pinky one, definitely deeper than the last two. So I don't think I'm gonna go in with a lip liner for this. Okay, so this is like a peachy pinky kind of brown. I don't know, I'm so bad at describing shades. For liquid lipsticks that are so full coverage, I am so surprised that the formula is very thin and lightweight, so I love that. And this again is in the shade Crabby. This has no lip liner under it, over it, nothing. This is just the pure liquid lipstick, and I love this color. I mean, oh my gosh. But this is so pretty. Like, definitely this is like a date night type of color. It's very girly, very feminine, and definitely suits my brown skin tone. So I'm really excited to have like this pinky corally type of nude in my collection. Next is the shade Absolutely, which is described as graham cracker. So we're getting into the browns now, and this is like a peachy brown color, so it looks really pretty, but I feel I need to go in with a brown lip liner for this one. I have never found my perfect peachy nude color, and I think I just did. Oh my god, you're seeing this? Guys, I know you might think that I'm exaggerating, but I am so excited for this. I have looked high and low for my perfect peachy nude lipstick, and I think this is it. This is so flattering. I wish you could see this in person. It is so freaking pretty. Oh my god, all I did was like one dab on my bottom lip, and that literally blended out into this. I mean, I'm shocked, honest to god. This is so freaking gorgeous. If you are looking for your perfect peachy nude, Absolutely is absolutely your shade, bitch. And last but not least, I have this very brown shade here called Gratitude. This is described as a toasted toffee color. This is so pretty. Ooh, I still went ahead and lined my lips with the brown lip liner just in case, but look at this. Okay, so I definitely went over my lip liner because I didn't feel like it was necessary for this shade against my skin tone. This is like honestly my perfect brownie nude, like my light brown nude. This is it. This is so, oh my god, how many times I'm gonna say this is so gorgeous, but y'all, look at this. I don't need a lip liner with this one for sure, but this is so pretty. Honestly, this is like my exact brown nude. Woo, I'm getting excited again for nude liquid lips, but this is honestly really gorgeous. Like, I love this shade. I found my nudes. I found my nudes. Ooh. The time has come for my final thoughts on the Jaclyn Hill liquid lipsticks. Do I like these? No, I don't. I freaking love them. I mean, did you not watch this review? Hello, these swatches are gorgeous. The formula is amazing. It's very thin, lightweight, full coverage. The packaging is very sleek and pretty. $20 a piece though, I will say, is a little steep. I think I might have preferred if it was like $18 a piece, because that is usually the price point I pay for a liquid lipstick, which I'm okay with. But I will say you do not need a lot of this product. Like maybe 2 or 3 dots can definitely cover your entire lips. Like, I am so impressed with this formula. This has definitely had enough time to dry down, so no transfer, no freaking transfer. It's very comfortable, lightweight. Is it like something exceptional, innovative? No. There are so many liquid lipsticks out on the market, but I have definitely struggled with finding a nude lipstick, especially when it comes to liquid formulas. So I am really excited to have these. If you want to wait for a sale to get these, I think you should do that too. As far as the lip liners go, I do not plan on buying them, I'll be honest. If there's a sale, I might splurge and like try them, but is it something I'm gonna go out of my way when it restocks? No, absolutely not. And that is just on the sole basis that affordable lip liners do a same great job. So I don't know, I might pass on the lip liners. But that completes this video. I do hope you guys liked it. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you did enjoy all of these swatches and the demos, and definitely do comment down below if you think that you are going to get some of these shades, because they have been restocked. Like, some of them are available on the website, so definitely check those out. And don't forget, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So you guys make sure to take care of yourselves, and just a gentle reminder to check the description box below so that you can make use of the links I would have down there to help with the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Volcano relief programs. And make sure you are following me over on my Instagram, because I do post a lot of fun swatches, reviews and videos, and just a lot more content, especially on my stories. Like I share a lot of like food videos, pictures and that kind of thing. So yeah, make sure you are not missing out on any fun and follow me over there. So you guys take care. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.